Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, I do have a monthly giveaway that's going on right now. I'll put that in the description box down below. And then as soon as this channel gets to 200 subscribers, I've got a really big giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned. Today we are unboxing the Sephora Play beauty box. It is $10 a month and there's 5 beauty samples that they ship out monthly. So let's dive in the bag. So the first thing that you see is, it says greetings from Platelets. National Best Friend Day is right around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than with some handsome beauty cards. How cute. We go together, serum and face cream. Thanks for being there for me when I need an SPF. The mystery makeup. Sealed with a kiss. Congrats on a great hair day. Just all sorts of cute little things. Love it. And then there's always 50 bonus points that you can use either online or on their website. And then this side talks about all the different products. The first product is from Bite Beauty. I love Bite Beauty lipsticks. I think I got the rhubarb one before. This one is in the color Chai. Full size of this just retail for $26. Bite Beauty is a cruelty-free brand. This is really pretty. Here's what it kind of looks like. And then what it says a creamy high impact lipstick in trendy mauve brown shade. White's your BFF, hydrate your lips while you serve looks with the weightless ultra pigmented formula made with 12 edible oils. How to use: swipe on the lip straight from the tube for a concentrated pigment, or use a brush or apply for a subtle look. Do any of you guys really use the brushes when applying lipstick? I obviously know there's some out there, and I know when you get a lip palette you can do it that way, but just for a tube, do you guys use that? A brush? Let me know in the comments down below. From Lancome is a CILS Booster XL. It is a base, it's basically a primer mascara. This retails for $13. And it looks like this. It's a little chunkier than the one that I currently use by Grande Cosmetics. So I'll have to try it out and see how it works. It is a CILS Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base, a conditioning primer that lengthens and strengthens lashes prior to mascara application. White's your BFF, infused with microfibers and vitamin E. The primer improves the mascara's performance, producing darker, longer, and more voluminous lashes. Plus, it doubles as a nourishing lash mask at night. That's kind of interesting. I'll have to give that a try. How to use: use the wand to coat your lashes from root to tip. Follow with mascara before primer dries for smooth, clump-free application. A tip on when you are using a primer: put it on one eye, then immediately put your mascara on. Don't let the primer dry and then go to the other eye. Put your primer on, then put the mascara on. Otherwise, it can get all dry and flaky and a big old mess on you, and you don't want that. I've been on the hunt for a mineral SPF, and here's one from Coola. It is their Sun Silk Cream Sunscreen, oil-free, SPF of 30. It's an oil-free mineral sunscreen that helps protect skin from UV rays and pollution. Full size of this does retail for $42. It is from a cruelty-free brand. And White's your BFF, antioxidants plus zinc oxide allow the ultra-light translucent cream to not only help keep your face sunburn free, but also defend against free radicals, which we all need help with. And how to use a dime size amount onto clean skin, dry skin in the morning. So I'll have to get this one out. It'll be interesting to see how it wears underneath makeup. By Tarte. there is the Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser Rainforest of the Sea, a brightening daily cleanser that removes waterproof makeup. Full size of this does retail for $25. It is cruelty free. And why is your BFF? It's packed with vitamin C and marine plant extracts. Hydrating gel cleanser gently removes impurities while reducing the look of fine line and wrinkles. Massage a pearl size amount onto wet skin and rinse. I would probably use this in the first step of a double cleanse to take off the makeup. It is made exclusively for Sephora. Next we have from Moroccanoil, Protect and Prevent Spray. It is a leave-in conditioning spray that cares for and protects strands from pollution. It retails for $30. It is a cruelty-free brand. And why it's your BFF? Everyday environment stressors threaten your hair health, but this antioxidant-packed formula protects strands from color fade while adding major shine. How to use: spray evenly over towel dried hair and comb through before styling. I do have color treated hair, so I am anxious to give this one a go. It does look like this, and this one is 0.67 of a fluid ounce. Lastly, by Jo Malone, London, is a Wood, Sage, and Sea Salt Cologne. It is the bonus item for this month. It is the fresh, earthy scent that invokes crashing waves, salty air, and invigorating sea spray. I do like to give it a sniff before I read the descriptions. So, just got a little sample here. Tip: make sure you're not pointed at your eye and you're pointed that way. It smells really nice, really woodsy. I just sprayed it entirely into my eye. I can't really see out my right eye right now. Winner for this girl. Full size of this does retail for $136. So we've got the cologne, the Bite Beauty lipstick, the SPF sunscreen from Coola, the Moroccanoil protective spray from Lancome, the lash primer, and the makeup remover from Tarte. I am really looking forward to basically trying all of these. I think the Bite Beauty is obviously my favorite. The cologne's nice. I just squirted it into my eye, and that was my own fault. No, I wasn't paying attention to where I was spraying it. Which of the items are your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me when you subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.